Hi everyone, we're going to talk about putting alarm for the lights on when you switch off the car. I'm talking about today A-Class Mercedes 2000 model. This car didn't have any alarm for the lights when you switch off the car and you forget it, like it will just deplete your battery, so there's no alarm. I'm gonna go simple. This car specifically, the fuses which are here next to the driver, is only connected to the lights, so I need any fuse that is not related to the lights. Once I switch off the car, this fuse should be negative, not functioning. When I switch on the car, it will be positive. Problem that all the fuses in this car are in the battery panel here. So this is first. Second problem, this middle panel in this car is very tight. I need to put this wire, which I will connect to the negative fuse for my alarm. I need to pass it from this middle panel. So the trick is, you see this wire, trick is to pass it beneath this panel next to the carpet, as I'm gonna show you now. You see, I'll pass it just next to this inlet, and this inlet I can move it, this line I can move it up to 1/2 centimeter back by removing this Phillips screw in the cup holder. I have to remove this Phillips screw, and if you have the hand rest, you have to dismantle it and move it back. This Phillips screw, I will just remove it, take it out, and in this way I'll take the cups out and I will be able to move the whole panel just back as it is for 1 centimeter. In this way I will move this wire from this end to this end. This car carpets are very tight, so once you take it from this side, put it beneath the carpet up to this point. Up to this point you will either risk breaking your plastic panel here or removing your carpet or ruining it, but since it's going to be covered by the mud pad here, so never mind. So up to this point you can put it beneath this movable part of the carpet. You're gonna thread it out up to this place. You see the wire is here. This is a movable part of the plastic, so easy to move. As you see, you put it beneath this part, and in this way it will be directly, you will be able to make it to the fuse box of the light. Those are the fuses of the light. This is my alarm. I'll try to show you. This is the alarm itself. It have two wires. One is positive and the one is negative. The negative one, I connected it already to this side. Okay. The positive side, I'm gonna save you the troubles. Those are the lights fuse. This one will be on all the time. Those are minor for the backlights and whatever. So connected to the second one, 15 ampere. Just put the wire, uncover the threads in the wire and put it just beneath the fuse and push the fuse on it, as you can see here. Try to focus, yes. And this way it will make your alarm working. Once the lights are on, this fuse will be on, and the negative one, your car will be off, so the negative will be connected to a fuse that is off when the car is off, so your alarm will be working. Now I don't have key, the car is off, so I'm gonna show you how it will sound. This way I know that I forgot a light. And to make it more, switch on your car. No need to switch on the engine, just put your key on. So once the light is on, there's nothing to say. Once you switch off, it's okay. But if you switch off your, exactly, it will give you the alarm that you forget your lights on. So this is in summary how to put your alarm for the lights, specifically for this A-Class Mercedes, but if you get the idea, you can do it for any car. Simple procedure. This alarm, you can buy it around $2 it cost me, or $3, so it's not a big deal. Just make sure that you're connected to the right fuse, positive light fuse and negative fuse whenever the car is off, so you have to try it all. That's it for now. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe if you like, any comments. Thank you very much.